All right, it's your boy Mari once again with some educational tips and tricks on how, to navigate around this whole trading thing. I know a lot of you guys are fairly new. You guys come here to, learn some tips and tricks on how to, invest your money and different things like that. And I want you guys to know that my emails are usually getting flooded with requests on, how people can go about getting more information about trading. So I want you guys to know that you can reach me one or two ways. One, you can reach me via social media. Okay, make sure that you guys follow me on Instagram, shoot me a DM. That's probably the best way to be able to get in contact with. But if you guys need, if you guys need these following steps, please feel free to screenshot this, write it down, or whatever. Now, the instructions is going to say Hugo's way, right? But we're going to specifically use KOT. The crazy thing is, guys, I had already made the withdrawal, okay, earlier today. I had already made the withdrawal thinking that I was recording, and I actually wasn't, so that was kind of embarrassing. So now I'm gonna have to do the whole thing all over again. But look, it says log into Hugo's Way, which KOT, then do an internal transfer, from USD to MT4 wallet. So how do you get to internal transfer? You go here, okay, you're gonna select MT4 to wallet. You're gonna select from whatever account, select your wallet, okay, which is going to be this wallet right here, of course, USD. Select from whatever account, however much, and then press request transfer. Of course, we've already done that. So now what we're going to do is we're going to click withdraw. All right, we're going to select the USD. We're going to select Bitcoin. We're going to put the amount, and we're going to get the Bitcoin address from Cashapp. Okay, so there's going to be deposit Bitcoin, right? You're going to copy the address. You're going to take that and you're going to paste it right here. Okay, then once you do that, you're just going to request transfer, right? So after you do that, they're going to send you an email, of course, and they're going to send you something like this, okay? And it's going to say you have a request for 60 bucks. All right, so I want to do something small, nothing too major. I just wanted you guys to be able to see see a visual representation of how it's going to go. All right, I'm currently waiting on another email or something like that for them to be able to let me know what's going on. The next steps is said should see Bitcoin funds in Cash App wallet within a couple hours. So got to give it a couple hours, you guys. And then once it does that, then the funds will be in my wallet. Then I can sell it from, my Bitcoin to convert it to USD. Boom. The money is there. Okay. Sell it. Next. Boom. Confirm. Okay. And then now here it is in my wallet. Just follow these steps, switch it around for your specific, broker. And, I'll be back with some more tips and tricks, you guys. Thank you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Let me know if this helped you out, right? Give me a follow on Instagram. Click that subscribe button, click the bell button, and we'll be good to go. All right. See you guys soon.